too cold, I make her turn the fan off. You snaking at your mans like you had this shit planned out.
Hi guys, it's me, Madeline, and today we're gonna be looking at these awesome cars. Look at this one, but I don't think that one's on sale. But look at this Jeep car. Let me show you the front. Yeah, I'm definitely getting this one. Let's sit in this one. Ooh, this one good. And look at this. I should really honk it. Should I do it? No, I don't think I should do it. Look, roof. Let's move on to the next one. Oh, what about that red one right there? This red one. Look at this green. Yeah. The seats are hard, but I go with them. It's big and small triangles. Now let's check out this trunk. If I ever get locked in here, I can just go out of here and then get out. What?
I'm not walking around with you, so.
Ooh, it's all black, bro. It's probably expensive. Okay, I'm gonna get in the kids' seat, back seat. Basically, it's the same thing, isn't it? Oh my. Oh. Okay, I didn't know I can bob my head. Okay, oh my God, it's the sun. Yeah, look at that. It's like yeah, they're freaking out. What about this blue car? Okay, I like this. Oh yeah, that's super cool. Let's sit in the back seat. Oh. It kind of looks like my this better. What about this one? This one's good, right? Oh yeah, this one has a cool screen too, but I don't like the floor. I don't really like the seats. I sit in the back. Oh, I didn't know the car is like that. Well, I don't really like it, but it's fine. Yeah, I choose the white truck, but I'll see it in the next one. Bye.